G'day Australia, Alex here checking in for Jimy Tools. Now with our toolkit range it's continually evolving, it's time to showcase our newest and improved introductory, intermediate and advanced contents. All of these professional quality tools are loaded in some of our most popular toolboxes, such as our 42-inch Imperial Black roller cab. Now this has our introductory level componentry. We then have our 56-inch tank tool workshop. This will have our add-on modules for intermediate level. And then we have our Mutant Mega Max. Now the width of this box spans just under 90 inches. This one will have our advanced level module. All Jimy storage units are the pinnacle of the toolbox industry, representing best quality and best bang for your buck. Let's get the show on the road, Australia, and walk through these career-spanning modular add-on options. This will be sure not to disappoint. The first cab off the rank in our modular toolkit add-ons is introductory level. Now feast your eyes on this. A 143-piece socket and accessory tray is one of the most comprehensive trays on the industrial marketplace today. It carries a range of 1/4-inch 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive chrome vanadium sockets ranging from 4.5mm to 32mm and 1/4-inch to 1.25 inch. Breaker bars of all drives up to 600mm. Check out these massive 36-inch extensions and a full range of socket accessories. This professional quality 38-piece bit set with stainless steel reversible ratchet handle is a little beauty. All bits made from S2 quality steel. 4 top-end pliers being side cutters, combination long nose and locking. Don't forget these little rigid jaw shifters, 6-inch and 8-inch. And finally we have these 9-piece hex keys in metric and SAE and the 9-piece Torx keys. Check out this neat looking ring open-ended spanner tray. High quality chrome vanadium spanners ranging from 7 to 21mm and 1/4 inch to 15/16. The industry has it said that the look and feel of these spanners are second to none. Next we have this 8-piece go-through screwdriver tray. With high quality S2 steel tips you can take on the most challenging jobs. Deep socket rails in 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive, metric and imperial. If you've been searching for some super robust internal or external circlip pliers, rest assured we have you covered with this top-notch 4-piece set. We have an 8-metre tape measure and hacksaw with bimetal German blades. And to finish off, check out our high-quality 16-ounce ball peen hammer and 3-pound club hammer. This concludes introductory level, so let's move straight into our intermediate add-on module. We have this high quality 26-piece ratcheting spanner set in metric and imperial, made from chrome vanadium steel. The comprehensive metric sizes ranging from 8mm to 21mm, and imperial sizes ranging from 1/4 inch to 1 inch. A 5-piece mag impact reel nut sockets with sizes 17, 19, 21, 22 and 27mm. 10-piece 1/2 inch drive impact deep socket rails SAE, ranging from 7/16 to 1 inch. Need some additional top-notch ratchet handles with reach and flexibility? Check out these rippers, coming in 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. Check out this specialised 28-piece spanner tray. We have our super popular 7-piece long ringies ranging from 8mm to 24mm. Standard flare nut spanners in both metric and imperial. Don't forget the stubby metric ratchet spanners ranging from 8 to 19mm, all covered by our lifetime warranty. Every professional mechanic needs their crow's feet in both metric and imperial. We have this 12-inch shifter. Look at this 54-piece bit set with hex, star, spline and tamper-proof security star bits, all material made from S2 quality steel. Heading to the next drawer, we've got our 1400 gram dead blow hammer, a great little 10-piece punch and chisel set in canvas ripstop pouch. We've got 4-piece pry bars, a feeler gauge, a boot clamp. We have an 8-inch high quality bolt cutter with chrome moly jaws, one of our most popular hand tools. A pickup tool, magnetic tray, circuit tester and spark plug tester. And check out this super bright magnetic base slimline LED work light with USB charge. Now check out the strength of this magnet. Make an impact with our 42-piece short and deep impact socket range. The comprehensive sizes ranging from 9 to 32mm. Sockets are made from high tensile strength chrome moly steel. We have 8-piece in-hex impact sockets in both metric and imperial. We have a deburring tool, a 17-piece drain plug set, a 1/2 inch drive filter wrench. And to finish off our intermediate contents box, we've got a 1/2 inch drive professional quality torque wrench. Torque ranging from 18.4 to 151.2 foot-pounds, each unit coming with a calibration certificate supplied at factory level. This concludes intermediate level, so let's move straight into our advanced add-on module. Firstly, we have our 12-piece metric and imperial large spanner set tray, ranging from 22 to 32 mil and 1 inch to 1 1/4 inch. Hacksaw blades, trim tool remover, a seal puller with a spare head, 5-piece uniclip remover set, a wire stripper. Check out this crimping ratchet plier kit with an assortment of quick change heads. We have this triple pack line clamp. Use this 1 metre long 3/4 inch drive breaker bar to assist with any nut busting work. Moving down here, we've got our 75-piece tap and die set in SAE and metric. And when things go a little pear-shaped, we have a 25-piece screw extractor set and a go-through nut remover set from 8 to 21 mil. We have this super handy 3-piece long handle ply set, perfect for getting into those hard to reach places. For work with more heavier duty application, you can't go past these impact 3/4 inch drive deep socket sets in blow mold casing. The 8-piece metric sockets range from 27 to 41 mil. The 8-piece imperial sockets range from inch to 1.5 inches. We have 2 more torque wrenches being 1/4 inch drive with torque ranging from 6 to 30 Newton meters. 3/8 drive with torque ranging from 20 to 110 Newton meters. We have this 32-ounce ball peen hammer and a 15-inch shifter. We have this exceptional 27-piece 3/4 inch drive chrome vanadium socket set in blow mold case. A professional quality ratchet and accessories with sockets ranging from 7/8 to 2 inch and 22 mil to 50 mil. Finally, we have thrown in this 1.5 litre oil transfer syringe. This concludes our advanced add-on module. So that's our complete walk through Australia. For a full list of our products, make sure you check out our website at jimytools.com.au. This video will be uploaded to our YouTube page so you can go back and reference any points you like. We've got loads of different ways to pay, and if you're tight on cash, we've got 24 months interest-free finance available. We're an Australian family-owned and operated business since 1993, and we ship Australia-wide daily. So it doesn't matter where you're located, we can get one of these out to you. Make sure you check out our Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. If you're ever in the area, come down and have a look at our showroom and meet the Jimy team. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, hit the like button, leave us a comment to let us know what you think.